Hey guys, I want to try and do a out of the pack pick on this one. We'll take that in a second. I'm just gonna show these two first that I got recently. Here we have a American padlock. It's sadly been cut. I found this in a house that I was helping out clearing. Yeah, but we can probably still pick it though. Not now, but when we do. And I don't think it's the whole chain, but at least a piece of the chain. And from a piece of furniture, we have a little furniture lock. It's screwed on. I'm probably gonna remove it from this when it's picked, because this takes up too much space, or I might just cut around it so there is a little bit you can put in a vise if you want to. But yeah, these are gonna be for a different day. So just wanted to show those. Where can I put this big thing? Whoa, the whole table is almost falling over there. Okay. Out of the pack pick of this one. We haven't opened it, although it isn't. Yeah, well, I don't need to cut it open. I can probably just rip it. But yeah, it's just a cheap Chinese lock. What does it even say? It just made in China. 32mm. Shouldn't be a problem, but hey, why not? Just as well make an out of the pack pick. Could also just take it through the back, I guess. I don't know. Don't know which one is easiest. Either way, I don't care. I have a knife. Alright. I don't think I would need the vise, but I do want it anyway. Alright. I can remember when I last made a out of the pack pick. That's quite a long time ago. Alright. It's not broken. And with that I mean it didn't just open because I put the tension wrench in. And I still need a new light, but I think you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Now I'm in the back. I can work my way out. There was one. I might have overset something. Come on in place, you. It's really hard to feel anything in here. I might have to bring out the tiny picks for this. Although I can get in and out. There we go. With the pick. So shouldn't need to do it. Let's try this thingy. I'm gonna take this way. That's a little easier around the camera. Can I get in there or not? tensioner keeps falling down on the bottom. Man, it's fighting a lot. Okay, then if it's gonna fight like that, we can try a top of the keyway if we have something that fits. And then we need a different hook, and we can see if this works any better. And I don't think it does, because the tensioner keeps falling out. I need to have quite heavy tension. Oh, okay. On this, so it doesn't fall. There we go, fall out. But it worked. Now it is just a cheap one, but I find I've picked a lot of these cheap locks, and this type of bitting is actually pretty damn good on these for the size. You see, it gives a lot. It's not unlocking, but it gives a lot in there. Alright, just for fun, let's try to rake, rock, and sip it, as I typically do. Maybe we should see if I can find my pick gun somewhere around all of this, and give it a go with that too. I'm just gonna sip with the short hook. Get in there. No. It's a little hard to actually get it in there, and it feels like it doesn't hit anything, so I'm gonna change to a different pick to try and sip it with. You can see it moved a little bit from the camera, but you can still see it. Yeah. Too small to sip it. Let's try an S-rake for raking. I can't even get in there, and I don't think I can for rocking either, so we're just gonna skip it. Anyway, it's repeated, so that's fine. Bypass, where's my bypass knife? It should be here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Can it really be? It doesn't feel like it's shielded, but I can't get to it. It definitely doesn't feel shielded in there, and I don't think it is. But for some reason I can't catch the locking pole in there. Anyway, we repeated. It took longer than expected, but we got it. And it's still a functional lock. So yeah. And I have 2 more in package. This one is a dimple and doesn't have keys. Might be some Russian stuff, but I don't know. I don't even remember where I got this. And this one was sent to me, so definitely gonna try that. At some point. It's a marksman, but these are for later videos. But it was nice to try a brand new lock again. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I always enjoy making them. I just don't do it as often anymore after I burned out, and I am, but sometimes I want to, and then I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.